What's up, guys? Just here making a quick installation. Got this new part. Got it from ECS. Something easy, something simple. Just a automatic Euro headlight switch, so I can have the daytime running lights and the fog lights on at the same time. Pretty easy to install. I'm going to show you what it looks like. Here it is. It's just the same thing, but as you can see, it has a couple. Has like this one just did. This is different. This has this, so I can have my, like I said, the daytime running lights and the fog lights on at the same time. So it's pretty quick install. Let me just show you how you do it real quick. All right, so just make sure your car is off, I guess. And then you want to do is have it in the middle. Just gonna press in, turn it clockwise a little bit, and you should just be able to put it out. Easy as that. And then you see the back. You're just gonna disconnect that, and then just easy plug and play. Just connect the new one, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And you're gonna install it. Just make sure you have it in the lock position. Just push it in, go to clockwise, like in the middle between the middle and the auto. And then you're just gonna line it up real quick. Something like, just put it in there. Be my move, put it in there. Unlock it, and it should be good. Let me test it out. Yeah, perfect. Alright, now that I have it installed, I'm gonna just put the camera outside so I can show you the different positions and see what it looks like. Alright, so that's the middle position. This is the auto position. This is this third one. And then the fourth one without the fog light.